obsessed with the afterlife. Oh, what a terrible day that was. He realized he wasted all his time thinking by, and he'd been left behind. And as the clock ticked tock, his heart just